If you're building with LLMs today, you're probably managing multiple providers, multiple API keys, and multiple bills. You have no single view of what's being spent, who's spending it, or whether it's being spent well. That's the chaos. Otari is the control layer that fixes it. This script is already hitting OpenAI. I changed 2 lines, the API key and the base URL, and now every request flows through Otari. Nothing else changes. The response is identical, but now I have a control plane in front of it. Watch the dashboard. Every request appears in real time. Providers, model, token count, cost, all in one place across every provider my team uses. And if I want to add Anthropic, I go to the provider keys in the UI, pass my key, and it's available. My application code doesn't change. It's the control plane that handles the routing. Now, let's talk about spend. In a growing team, budgets get out of control fast. In Otari, I simply set a hard budget on any project, workspace, or team member. Monthly reset, automatic enforcement. I don't write a single line of code for this. When that project hits its limits, the next request is blocked automatically. No one intervenes. This is budget enforcement directly in the request path, not a monitoring alert you see 3 days later. Here's where Otari turns model choice into an informed decision instead of a guess. I'll give GPT-4o and Qwen 330b, a much smaller open model, the same substantial task, no tools. Look at the dashboard. Real dollar figures, no rounding errors. Qwen costs a fraction of what GPT-4o costs for the same work. And that's the kind of visibility that lets you actually choose the right model for the job, instead of defaulting to the most expensive one out of habit. Now, watch what happens when I give that same small model a tool and ask it something it can't do on its own, the current Bitcoin price. Web search turned on, same cheap model, and it gets the real answer. Cheap and accurate because Otari gives any model on any provider agent capabilities out of the box. You don't need the most expensive model. You need the right tool in front of the right model. One control plane instead of multiple dashboards. Hosted at otari.ai if you want to start now. Self-hosted if you want to own your infrastructure. Sign up for free at otari.ai.